What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I have a really cool install for y'all. This is one of the mods that I talked about in a couple of previous videos. I told you guys that I had something big coming, some new mods coming. This one right here, I am so excited to get installed. Y'all have no idea. So it took about 5 months to finally complete it, ready to go. I have them sitting over there. I'll show you guys in a second. Yeah, this one can be a game changer, guys, so let me not waste any more time. Let's hop into this video. Alright people, so moment of truth. So, a little backstory. I've been working with this company, well, not really working with this company, but talking to this company as they developed what I'm about to show you guys. I think it's ran by one dude. I'll leave everything in the description. Get him some business, and wow, guys, I gotta tell you, he does some exceptional work. So what I got for you today is some unequal length headers for 2018 plus Crosstrek. How about that? Check it out, guys. So in this box right here is going to be the cat pipe. I won't show you guys, nothing too exciting. It's just the high flow cat. So as comparison to the OEM, your header and your cat pipe are one piece, whereas this one it's two pieces, which means that that's probably going to be, the OEM one's probably going to be a pain in the butt to get off, but whatever, we'll get to it when we get to it. It's very high quality. The best part about it is it's actually a replica of the OEM header, except obviously unequal length. We got our two O2 ports. We won't be getting any error codes. We won't need a tune for this. It's just bolted up and we're good to go. We can finally have that Subaru rumble that everyone keeps telling me about. Because as y'all know, it's my first Subaru, so you know I'm still trying to unlock all its potential and still fairly new to the Subaru gang. But apparently there's a Subaru Rumble that I need to have, so we're gonna get it now. And as you see, it comes with OEM Subaru genuine part gaskets. This dude put some time and effort into this. Like I said, I was like on a waiting list for 5 months. He finally developed these like last month. Finally got finished. I mean, he takes really good pride in his stuff. Very communicative. I would recommend, obviously, this guy to you. With all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into this install. Alright guys, so first step you're going to want to do is remove the skid plate if you have one. I'm sorry if it's dark down here, it probably is, but I hope it's coming up decently. I don't really have a light, and I guess I could have did this outside, but I didn't feel like it. So, bear with me.
Blonde hair, blue eyes, that'll make you faint on sight. But she looks like trouble. Her lips so kissable and poisonous.
Alright guys, now that we got the skid plate off, if you had to remove it, if not, this is going to be like your first step. So first thing we want to do is we're going to want to loosen up the bolts. Obviously, well, I guess we could loosen them up, take them off, I don't know. So we're going to loosen up the bolts from the mid pipe to the cat pipe. So we got two big bolts right here, 14 mil. Don't judge me, but I'm using a lug, a wheel wrench, because I don't have a ½ inch for this 14. So don't judge me, okay? And it's easier to take off, alright? Don't judge me.
I know she won't be good for me, but I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare for a guy like me to get a chance with a girl like her, and I won't waste that chance.
So I just went ahead and said screw it and just completely separated them. The cat pipe's already being hung up by a factory hanger, so this isn't going to go anywhere. So I'm just going to get like a jack and hold this guy up, my mid pipe, and then we'll move on. So now what we have to do is remove this, I don't know, this cover. I don't know what you want to call this. I guess it's just a shield. It just covers the cat pipe. So basically, just take these 5 bolts off, and that's pretty much it.
me like.
Alright people, so now it's time to go ahead and loosen up the header bolts. There's 6. You have 1 right here, 2, 1 behind, 3, and then the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so now that I got those bolts all loosened, we can go ahead and start taking them completely off. I went ahead and got a jack stand and put it right underneath the cat pipe so that way it doesn't fall, towards me. It won't because it's still being held up by the hanger back there, but, peace of mind. Header bolts all done. The last thing we got to do is just pull off the hanger for this cat pipe, and then the whole thing should just come straight down. Alright guys, here it is. There's the before on the right and the after on the left. As you can see with his design, he arranged the cat pipe just a little towards the back, whereas they have it on the front. I'm not sure if that makes a difference. I don't know. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove both O2 sensors, put them on the new ports, and we'll be good to put her back together, guys.
She got me low.
Alright guys, so the install is officially completed. What I'm going to do now is just go for some test drives, break it in, see what it sounds like, and yeah, we'll just go from there. I'm going to throw up some sound clips right now, and we'll see you guys at the very end. Alright guys, so just a quick mention before we go on to the sound clip. I wanted to go ahead and address an issue that I came in contact with. So my skid plate, when I bolted everything back up together, I found that my skid plate was making contact with the 2 connections between the header and the cat pipe. So as you can see right here, it was starting to make some contact. So what I'm going to do now is just take my angle grinder and cut out this little piece so it'll clear when you put it back on. But yeah, so just a quick mention, if you guys run into that problem like I did, that's what you're going to have to do. Yeah, just thought I'd mention that to you guys so you don't run into the same problem that I do. So yeah, we'll move on to the sound clips. guys, well, you heard it here first. That is the 2018 Plus Crosstrek with unequal length headers. Well, actually, I have a whole complete header back system now. It used to be just a cat back, now it's a whole header back system. So, I don't know about you guys, but I am in love with how it sounds. It's actually funny because yesterday I was driving and I was ripping it, you know, going, you know, slow, obviously. And this Camaro just rolls up, screaming at me. And he looks over and he's like, it's funny. It draws so much more attention now. I don't know. They can hear the Subaru, they can hear the rumble. So like, oh, he must be STI swap something. What's he got up in there? But yeah, guys, it's amazing. I used to love getting in my car and driving it every single day. Now I really love driving it every single day. It sounds, oh God, guys, it sounds so good. But yeah, anyway, with that said, I will go ahead and link the description, the product, the dude's website. It's called RalliSportAutomotive.com. He's actually developing tunes for the Crosstreks, obviously the headers, and he's actually working on a prototype turbo kit for the Crosstrek. So, turbo Crosstrek in the future, maybe? I don't know yet. I still have like 2 more years of my warranty, so probably no turbo anytime soon. But maybe in the future, we'll see. I don't know. But yeah, guys, so reach out to him. If you guys are really interested, reach out to him. Very communicative guy. Best way to get in contact with him is through his Facebook. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and leave it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the sound clips. So with that said, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Must have been 11 when the world ended. At least it felt like it at the time. Teenage years make a heartbreak worse. Plus a lot was going on, couldn't stop it at the time. Dad tried to flip the house. Funny that it all ended upside down. Known for being optimistic, started feeling different. Couldn't fix it, started writing lyrics all because nobody tried to